Hi all, welcome back to our new weekly vlog. So today I am at IKEA.
Hello.
So poduna 11 o'clock aindi. We came here. I think the store is open. Is it open, Soumya?
Yeah. We are on time.
Done. So let's go and do some shopping. After lockdown, this is the first time that I'm visiting. So let us see what is the new stuff that we have got here. So this is my second time visiting IKEA. First time maybe initial days ఎప్పుడైతే IKEA in Hyderabad launch అయిందో ఒక క్రేజ్ ఉండేది. అలాగే వెళ్ళి నేను కూడా చూశాను. లాక్డౌన్ తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి విజిట్ చేయాలనిపించింది అండ్ సడన్గా వ్లాగ్ కూడా చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది బికాస్ మెనీ పీపుల్ వుడ్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ గాట్ అ ఛాన్స్ టు విజిట్ రీసెంట్లీ. సో మేబీ దిస్ వ్లాగ్ వుడ్ బీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ దెమ్. The best part about IKEA is eppudu vellina sare kottaga kanipistundi, maybe because of the way they arrange things or maybe the way we look at them, I'm not sure, but you are going to get a lot of ideas when you look around. Crowd was pretty normal, ekku kuda leru alani takku kuda leru. They were all wearing masks, taking precautions, and we had sanitizers everywhere, so I felt it pretty safe.
Hey Gayatri, what's up?
Welcome to IKEA's kitchen. Shall I prepare a cup of coffee for you, Soumya?
Okay. It's a glass. I don't think we have a cup.
Okay, the thing that I forgot to mention is IKEA lo sale undani cheppi kuda mem ikkadiki vachamu. That is one of the good reasons for us to pay a visit here. But after reaching here, we came to know that many of the things that we wanted were out of stock. So it was quite disappointing, but we could get some other stuff which we really did not require, but that is how girls shop, right? So
నీకు అర్థమైందా? ఇవి ఇంట్లో నువ్వు తగిలించుకుని దీంట్లో కొత్తిమీర బేసులు మేతి అన్ని పెంచేసుకోవటానికి. చూడు మేతి కొరియాండర్ మెంట్ బేసులు.
after visiting the store, the first thing which I can suggest is you need to visit the store only during weekdays instead of weekends, because weekends lo inka ekku crowd untundi. Weekdays lone I could feel that the crowd was increasing, so better to visit during weekdays. Damn tired, we are going to have some lunch. OMG, anta pedda kyundu. I heard that IKEA is best for some
Meatball.
No veg balls.
No veg balls.
I think vegetarians ki takku options unnai.
చాలా అసలు ఏమీ లేవు.
Maybe no. Forgot to wear my mask. We have to find out something which. Finally, waiting for like 30 minutes, we could order food, and itla oka trolley laga istaru, that wherein we need to place our food and then take it to our place to have it. And vegetarians ki chala takku options unnai main chusnanta varaku. So finally we could order some veg biryani, paneer curry and some nuggets. That is what we could order, and then had our lunch peacefully because there was enough space and it was quite pleasant. So 11కి వెళ్ళాము, ఇప్పుడు 4 అవుతుంది. I think enough of. Are you satisfied, Soumya? Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
చాలా ఎక్కువ గంటలు షాప్ చేసాము. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ గుడ్ to shop in IKEA because you always get what you need, what exactly you want అనేది పక్కా దొరుకుతుంది ఇక్కడ. On this note, I'm going to end my vlog here. So bye all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Nowadays Uber cabs are having this kind of protection shield which is actually good.